your boy Brian. Welcome back to Culture Kitchen. Imagine you're in a hot summer day and you're super thirsty, and you just need a beautiful, tasty drink to get rid of that thirst. Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to be teaching you how to make Mexican Horchata. It's a great summer drink. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's get going. So guys, what we're going to need is cinnamon, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and water. That's basically what you're gonna need. If you want to add sugar, you can, but I feel the condensed milk is enough. Alright guys, now let's begin. So first, what you're gonna want to do before you get started, you're going to have to put the rice in the water and let it like sit for a little bit. You can do it overnight, but I did it for like 3 hours. I let it sit in the water and it got nice and soft. The reason you're doing this is so it can easily blend in the blender and it won't damage your blender, guys. And it also, I feel like it makes the rice a little bit more edible. So, you know, you gotta let it sit, man. Alright, so now I'm going to put the rice in the blender so that we can blend it. Guys, it's a pretty simple process. It's nothing hard. I think you're gonna be able to make it very simple. It's gonna be very simple, but it's gonna taste very good, guys. So you're gonna need carnation milk and sweetened condensed milk. The condensed milk, you can use sugar to replace that, but I feel like the condensed milk makes it taste better, and the carnation milk is for the creaminess of the horchata. So now I'm just putting it in the blender. As you can see, you also need the water, because like if there's not enough water in the rice, it will be like you won't be able to strain it, and it'll be too much of a hassle. I had this problem in this, so I ended up putting a little bit more water in it. You're gonna have to eventually put more water in it, but you know. Oh yeah, I actually forgot to put the cinnamon. You actually want to put the cinnamon in there to give the rice that flavor, because it'll be harder if you don't put the cinnamon in there forwardly, I guess. Yeah. So basically, put the cinnamon in there. So guys, after you're done blending it with the cinnamon, you're going to want to take the strainer and strain all of the juices, the water out of the rice. And you don't really want all of the, it's up to you, but I don't think you want all of the rice in there. So you just go ahead and strain it. This is where I actually had to add more water. So we'll show you the rest of the process after we have added the water. So if it looks watery, don't mind that. So guys, now that I finished straining it, it should look like this. This is not the finished product, but at this point, this is what it should look like. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put in the evaporated milk. What this does, guys, what the evaporated milk does, it gives it that creamy texture, and it gives it that nice milky flavor. That's exactly what you're looking for. You're looking for a nice milky flavor, cinnamony. That's not a word, but you know, you gotta do what you can, you know. Alright, so that's how you see how the milk makes it like less dense. Before it was like really thick, but now the milk made it like smooth, nice and smooth, guys. That's what you want. That's what you want in this. After mixing it, guys, you're gonna put the sweetened condensed milk. This helps with making it sweeter. That's basically what it does. It's like the sugar. This is very sweet, so I don't think you do need sugar, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add it. I'm gonna add two of those, and that's it. I'm good with that. So guys, now what you're gonna want to do, just add water. I like to fill up the blender that I blended the rice with and just pour that water. Half the blender, fill it halfway and pour that water in there. This helps you know, water down the sugar, so it's not sticky, it's not like thick, and it tastes good, guys. So that's basically the final product. I'm gonna put it in a little glass container so I can enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. It really helps us out. And make sure you comment on the videos, guys. That is how we know what you want us to make, and help us get to at least 100 subscribers, guys. Come on now. I know you like this content. Who doesn't like food? Alright, in all seriousness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down in the description below. Description in the comment section below. Bye.